Hey guys, welcome back. So first things first, you're gonna need some nails. This box of nails, I got it off of Amazon. It has 10 different sizes and it's very affordable. The next thing you need is some poster putty. I got this off of Amazon as well. You can get this at Walmart or any office store. And I use it just to put my press-ons on my nail stand like so. You're also gonna need a buffer because I buff my nails and I also buff the press-on nails. But this is optional if you want to buff the nail or not. So the first thing I start to do is buff the press-on nail very lightly on top, and I do this just to get the shine off of it a little bit so that when I put on a polish or base or top coat, it's not like shiny. It gets to shine eventually. But yeah, this is optional. You don't have to do it. The next thing I'm going to take is this nail file. It's a 100 and 180 grid file, and I use it to file the tips of the nail because it usually has like that little thing that sticks out of the tip, which I hate. So I file that off so that way when I put the press on nails, it doesn't look like they're fake. Well, like they're not acrylics, if that makes sense. Next, I use some alcohol, and I know it's kind of hard to find this right now. If you can't find alcohol in the store, maybe try getting some alcohol pads, and that will work as well. I put my alcohol inside a spray bottle, and then I pretty much wet a paper towel and wipe down the nails and just get all that like dust off the nail from me filing them or buffing them. So I'm gonna start off with the 3 middle nails, and I'm just gonna remove the thumbnail and the pinky. The first step is base gel, and then I'm gonna apply top coat to these nails after. And this is by the brand Beetles, and I love this brand. So I'm just gonna apply a thin layer of that base coat to each nail. And as you can see, it's very easy. And then I'm gonna cure that for 60 to 90 seconds. Now I'm applying a top coat, which I do this so that it hardens the nail and it's not flimsy. And I do it to all of them. And then I cure it for 120 seconds. And then this is the second layer. I do go in with 2 layers because yeah, I want it to be like sturdy, and you cure it for the same amount of time. Now the next thing I use are these tip guides, and I'm gonna be working on that thumbnail while the other nails are curing. So this is very easy to put on. You put it however it is you want, how high, how low. I wanted it about right there, so I just put it there. I also got these off of Amazon, just in case you wanted to know. So the next step is applying the base coat to the tip of the nail, and the guide makes it so easy to be able to make that French tip. I love it. And then you're gonna apply a base coat to that pinky nail as well, the whole nail, and cure it for 60 to 90 seconds. Now going in with this Beetle gel polish, and this is such a cute pink. I use it in a video before. It's in the number 603. I can put a little pop-up at the top if you want. And I'm just gonna apply that color now. And that's the thumbnail. And you know, then I'm gonna apply it to the pinky as well. And then I'm going to cure this for 60 to 90 seconds. And now on that thumbnail, you are going to apply a second coat of the color and then cure it for 60 to 90 seconds. And then once it's done, you are going to peel off that little guide and start applying a base coat on the other end. And then cure it for 60 to 90 seconds. Then going back to the pinky nail, apply a second coat and cure for 60 to 90 seconds as well. Now on the thumb, on that bottom half, you're gonna apply a top coat and then cure it for 120 seconds. Now you're gonna take the thumbnail, reapply that top coat, and cure it for 120 seconds. And then those first 3 nails that we started with, we're gonna start with the middle nail, and we're gonna apply some nail art foil glue. And this is by the brand Beetles. Once again, I'm loving this company. You apply that to the nail like if it's a base or a top coat and cure it for 60 to 90 seconds. And here is the foil that I'm gonna use for the nails. I got this on Amazon as well. Most of my products in this video I got from Amazon. If it's not from Amazon, I will let you know. And I'm gonna be using this one right here. Isn't this pretty? Ooh. So all you do is once it's cured, you're gonna just apply whatever design you want right on top of it, rub it on, and peel it off very gently, not too harsh, because if not, then the design sometimes comes off. And yeah, that's it. Then you apply a top coat over that and you cure it for 120 seconds as well. Now moving on to the other 2 nails, I'm going to use this Insta Dry by Sally Hansen, and it's in the color White on Time, number 113. I need to get another one of these polishes. I really love these polishes. They dry very fast. And you're going to apply 2 coats of this polish. And then you're going to set it aside to dry for about 10 to 20 minutes. So I got this UV LED glue gel for the crystals because in my last video I had a few people like cringing because I used top coat over my little crystals. But this is awesome. You just apply it on right here. I'm just gonna apply it to the top part of the nail and make kind of like a little crown looking thing on top. And then using this tool that's usually to pick up crystals, I usually use my fingers, but we're gonna go with this. It's broken, so I'm just working with it. And I'm gonna apply these crystals to the top part. I obviously wasn't recording when I put some on, but that's what I did. And you cure it for 120 seconds. And then after that, I take a top coat and I apply it around the crystals, not on the crystals. And you cure it for 120 seconds. And then I'm doing the same thing to that thumbnail. And I'm just gonna apply at the top. You can apply the crystals however you want and whatever design you want, but this is what I chose. So yeah, I just apply the crystals, and this glue thing is amazing. I love it, and I got it on Amazon as well. And since this nail is bigger, I decided to go with some chunky crystals, and oof, it came together, you guys. I don't know, when I'm putting these crystals on, I feel so like royal. So these are my Spring Queen nails, okay? Spring Queen, baby. And then you're gonna go ahead and cure that for 120 seconds. Now this powder here I got from Amazon as well. Either Amazon or eBay, I will let you guys know, I can't remember. But it's so pretty. It has like pinks and like greens and like, it's like very pearly. And so I first put on a top coat on the nail, and then I just apply the glitter. I tried using this cuticle stick, but it wasn't working. So here I am pouring the glitter, not prepared. Usually I put a paper underneath so I can catch that glitter and save it for later. And then I cure that for 120 seconds. Now going in with this Born Pretty powder. Oh, this powder is beautiful. My other white nail, I'm gonna apply top coat. And then after I apply that top coat, I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds. 30 seconds, guys. Then after those 30 seconds, you're gonna apply the powder onto the nail, and then you start to gently rub it in. And then the magic happens. Like, you see that? You see that pearlescent? That's the color of this powder, like a pearlescent. Oh, look, it's so beautiful. And then I brush it off with this random OPI brush I have, and then you're gonna apply a top coat, and then you're gonna cure it for 120 seconds. All right, you guys, this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making these. Oh, they're so beautiful. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I don't only do nail videos, I also do beauty videos. And hit that notification symbol so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Now, I'm obsessed with the nails, but the glue is very fast drying. So in my other hand, I think it's a thumbnail. Yes, a thumbnail. Ugh, since it's see-through, you can see how it like was drying before I could put the nail on. But I'll fix that eventually when it pops off. But this is the nail glue I use, and I got it from Amazon. Goodbye, and thank you for watching.